Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at another monitor, the Andycine X5, which is a 5.5 inch 4K 60p touchscreen HDR monitor. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a budget-friendly monitor for your setup, this little powerhouse might be exactly what you need. So let's get started. Alright, about the basics, the Andycine X5 is a compact monitor that packs a lot into its sleek build. It's built with CNC aluminum body, giving it a premium feel while keeping it super lightweight. And when I say super lightweight, it weighs just 241 grams from my own weight test with no batteries or extra accessories attached. This makes it perfect for on-the-go creators who don't want to be weighed down by their gear. One of the coolest things about this monitor is how versatile it is. Whether you're a vlogger or just need a budget monitor for your content creation needs, this monitor can adapt to your need. It's compatible with a wide range of cameras and devices, so you're not locked into any specific ecosystem. I usually have it paired on my Blackmagic Pixels camera you see just behind me, and it works just fine. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes this monitor special. First up, we've got the display quality. This bad boy here boasts a 1080p screen resolution and it's able to take inputs of up to 4K 60p, which means you're getting ultra crisp images with smooth motion. It also supports HDR, so you're able to see whatever you're shooting with vibrant colors and deep, rich contrast. The screen on this monitor can reach a brightness of 1200 nits. For those of you who are in tech nets like me, that means this screen is bright enough to use even in direct sunlight. No more squinting at your display or using a shade when you're shooting outdoors. And like I earlier mentioned, you can navigate through settings and adjust parameters with just a tap of your finger. It's like having a mini tablet attached to your camera. Also, it's got a 160-degree viewing angle so that you and several others can view what's on screen from different angles. Now let's talk about the build. The CNC aluminum build you see is not just for looks. It makes the monitor durable enough to withstand the rigors of on-location shooting, plus it has several mounting points so you can attach it to your camera rig however you like. Now when it comes to power, this monitor is flexible. It can power using its 12 volts DC input port and also uses Sony MPF batteries, which are pretty common in the video world, which means you can power it for a portable battery pack or even load custom loads directly onto the monitor. And yet again, you can power your camera using the dummy battery from its 8 volt DC output. Just make sure that your camera takes 8 volts. My Blackmagic Pixels cannot be powered by this monitor. Now let's talk about cooling. I'm going to power on the monitor. Let it come on. So it's coming on now. That's probably about 5 seconds. X5 features 5 fan levels designed to keep operations smooth, even during intense use. I'm going to double tap to go into system settings or system and then go into cooling fan. So that's cooling fan. Let me show you guys. So that's the 5 different cooling speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can turn on this cooling fan or just turn it off. So you see that it has 5 levels of cooling. I can turn the fan on or completely kill it. It's currently at level 1. You probably cannot hear anything. What I can hear in this studio is the fan, the light. So if you see that light there, I can hear the fan, which is the Godox ML60, the version 2. I cannot hear the fan in this monitor, except maybe I bring it very close. I can hear it now. It's the monitor literally touching my ear, so I can hear it. The microphone I'm speaking through is Sennheiser NK416, which is out of frame. I'll take it so you can hear it. I hope the mic is picking up the cooling fan. So that's level 1 from the cooling fan, and I'll go into level 2. I'll just show you guys that that's level 2. So that's level 2. I cannot hear it louder. Let me bring it back to my ear level. So that's level 2. That's how quiet level 2 is. And now level 3. I'll take it closer to the mic. That's level 3. And then level 4. So that's level 4. the mic should be picking up from this distance. That's level 4. Bring it back to me. And then level 5. That's level 5. I think the mic should be able to pick it up from this distance. You can see that's level 5. So just in case level 4 and 5 are too loud on set, you can lower the fan down to level 1 or turn it off completely. However, be cautious when handling the monitor at low fan speeds or when it's turned off completely after extended use, as the body can become quite hot. Here is where this monitor really shines, especially for beginners and pros. It comes loaded with professional monitoring tools. You've got waveform, vector scope, histogram, false colors to help you nail your focus, and even peaking to assist with focus. There's also the new popular 9:16 vertical ratio marker, which I use all the time, which is perfect for TikTok and Instagram. Last but not the least, it supports embedded audio, so if I am out as a one-man band, I can keep an ear on my sound levels right from the monitor's 3.5mm jack. Now when it comes to price of this monitor, at $169, the Andycine offers a lot of bang for your money. You get the monitor itself, a manual, cleaning cloth, a hot shoe, a well-padded case, battery, micro and full HDMI cables, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter, which allows you to load firmwares and 3D LUTs onto the monitor. The touchscreen interface on this monitor is intuitive, making it easy to navigate even if you're new to external monitors. I took this out for a spin on a bright day, and I've got to say that 1200 nit brightness really helps. I could see the screen clearly even in direct sunlight. The monitoring tools are a game changer, especially for beginners. The false color mode, for example, makes it super easy to check your exposure at a glance, and the peaking feature ensures that I never have to guess if my shot is in focus. Now about those fans, at lower levels they're pretty quiet. Crank them up to the max though and you definitely notice the noise. It's the trade-off for keeping the monitor cool during intense use. Let's break down the pros and cons of this monitor. On the plus side, you're getting a very high quality touchscreen 1080p HDR display with a ton of professional monitoring tools. The build quality is solid. You've got flexible power options. The only con I have about this monitor is the fan noise at level 4 and 5. Your mics are definitely going to pick up the fan, cooling it down. And one other thing I wish it had was internal recording, but that's something I'm not going to get at $169. So how does the Andycine X5 stack up against a monitor that the Blackmagic VidaSafe 12G HDR? In terms of size and weight, this is cheaper, lighter, and even a bit bigger in screen size. That extra 1.5 inch really carries a lot, and it doesn't consume as much power as the video assist does. But the only thing is there's no SDI and no video recording. You're getting tools that you typically find on much pricier monitors. To wrap things up, the Andycine X5 4K 60p 5.5 inch touchscreen HDR monitor is a feature-packed powerhouse that's surprisingly beginner friendly. Its high quality display, professional monitoring tools, and durable design makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of content creators. If you're a videographer, wedding filmmaker, content creator, YouTuber like myself looking for a solid professional body monitor, this monitor is definitely worth considering. Just remember to factor in your specific needs and workflow when making a decision. And that's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Got any questions about the Andycine X5 or external monitors in general? Drop it in the comment section below. Until next time, keep creating. It's your filmmaker, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.